Teacher, good morning students. Sahar mu paher zda kounko. Students, good morning teacher. Sahar mu paher khaunku. Teacher, how are you today? Nan singis. Students, we are fine. Thank you. Munkhayu. Manana. Teacher, please sit down. مهرباني وکړئ کښېنئ. Students, thank you teacher. مننه ښوونکي. Teacher, open your books. خپل کتابونه خلاص کړئ. Students, we have opened our books. We have opened our books. مونږ خپل کتابونه خلاص کړي دي. Teacher, be quiet please. مهرباني وکړئ چوپ اوسئ. Students, yes teacher. هو ښوونکیه. Teacher, listen to me carefully. زما خبرې په دقت واورئ. Students, we are listening. مونږ اورو. Teacher, today we will learn English. نن به مونږ انګریزي زده کړو. Students, that is good. دا ښه ده. Teacher, write the date on the board. نیټه په تختې ولیکئ. Students, we have written the date. مونږ نیټه لیکلې ده. Teacher, who can read this sentence? څوک کولی شي دا جمله ولولي. Student, I can read it. زه یې لوستلی شم. Teacher, please stand up. مهرباني وکړئ ودرېږئ. Student, yes teacher. هو ښوونکیه. Teacher, read loudly. په لوړ غږ ولولئ. Student, reads the sentence. جمله لولئ. Teacher, very good. ډېر ښه. Students, thank you teacher. مننه ښوونکیه. Teacher, any questions? Any questions? کومه پوښتنه شته؟ Students, no teacher. نه ښوونکیه. Teacher, do you understand the lesson? Do you understand the lesson? درس مو پوه شوئ؟ درس مو پوه شو؟ Students, yes we understand. هو مونږ پوه شو. Teacher, complete your classwork. خپل کلاس کار مکمل کړئ. Students, we are doing it. مونږ یې کوو. Teacher, do not talk in class. په ټولګي کې خبرې مه کوئ یا په کلاس کې خبرې مه کوئ. Students, sorry teacher. بخښنه ښوونکیه. Teacher, focus on your work. Focus on your work. په خپل کار تمرکز وکړئ. Students, yes teacher. هو ښوونکیه. Teacher, time is over. وخت ختم شو. Students, okay teacher. سمه ده ښوونکیه یا استاذه. Teacher, submit your notebooks. Submit your notebooks. خپل کاپی جمع کړئ. Students, here you are. The hazir de. Teacher, homework is on page 10. کورنۍ کار په لسم مخ کې دی. Students, we will do it. مونږ به یې وکړو. Teacher, revise the lesson at home. درس په کور کې تکرار کړئ. Revise the lesson at home. درس په کور کې تکرار کړئ. Students, yes teacher. هو ښوونکیه. Teacher, class is over now. ټولګی ختم شو. Students, thank you teacher. مننه ښوونکي. Teacher, see you tomorrow. سبا به سره وینو. Students, see you teacher. خدای پامان ښوونکي. Teacher, have a nice day. ښه ورځ ولرئ. Students, you too. تاسو ته هم. Teacher, keep studying hard. زده کړه ته دوام ورکړئ. Students, we will teacher. مونږ به یې کوو ښوونکیه.